Kia ora, I'm Robyn Winther.
And kia ora, I'm Jarrod Waerea.
So I have been part of the people walking movement for about 3 years. I noticed a lot of our community members had quite a bad addiction, and families were being displaced and unsettled. Because I had experienced the same kind of stuff in my previous relationship, the violence, my ex-partner being in a gang, having my children around, not wanting to expose my children to the violence because of the meth. I tried to keep them sheltered, but I couldn't do it because it was quite a difficult kind of time, and seeing some of the whānau going through the same kind of stuff kind of prompted me to want to become part of the solution rather than being stuck in a rut, not knowing what to do. So
I've recovered from smoking meth and seen a lot of friends die, and a few of my friends have had cameras stuck down their throats, and the doctors have seen an enlarged heart, so their heart's probably 5 times the size of a normal heart. So they're battling daily. I've seen a lot of friends of mine still today going in and out of prison. Even while they're in prison, all they talk about is getting out and getting on the pipe. So I believe is that this year is the year for change. Men are becoming more open. Probably 20 years ago, we never ever spoke about things like this. It wasn't cool, it wasn't staunch. If I can do my part and share my story or listen to somebody else's story and pay back what I feel like I owe, I feel like I'm doing a part to prevent anybody else in the future to take it up.
We are not there to judge you. Everything is confidential. We have your backs, with whatever help you need. We want to see as many of our people as possible come off the stuff, be educated on the stuff. So we're open.
Yeah, and to add to that, we are just people. We're simple, and sometimes we fall, and sometimes we need help to get up, and we're here to help you.